Looking for a cordless stapler that combines power with portability? Today we're diving into the Bosch, an 18-volt brushless narrow crown stapler that's ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and more. But does this high-performance tool have any trade-offs? Stick around to find out. The Bosch is crafted with a robust, modern look, featuring durable materials and a sturdy frame that is built to withstand rigorous job site use. It's compact for a stapler of its caliber and cuts out the need for cumbersome compressors and hoses, making it a top pick for those who need cordless convenience. Plus, it's compatible with Bosch's amp-share battery system, so if you're already invested in Bosch's 18-volt line, this tool is an easy addition. This stapler is designed for ease of use and precision, featuring an ergonomic thumb wheel for quick depth adjustments, a feature especially helpful when working with various wood thicknesses. A dual LED work light brightens up your workspace, making sure each staple goes exactly where you intend it. The intuitive interface allows for quick switching between single and bump fire modes, so you can transition from careful stapling to high-speed work in seconds. The Bosch is comparable to the DeWalt, but has an edge with Bosch's highly efficient Core 18-volt battery system, which allows up to 1,800 staples on a single charge, more than most competitors. Priced around $350 as a bare tool, it might seem steep, but with its rugged design and powerful features, it's geared toward users who prioritize quality and reliability. Check out the Amazon link below for the best details. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing the stapler? Cons: pricier than some alternatives, battery and charger sold separately, heavier than some other cordless models. Pros: powerful brushless motor for consistent stapling, one-handed activation for ease of use, Core 18-volt battery compatibility with excellent runtime, tool-free jam clearing and depth adjustment, intuitive user interface with single and bump fire modes, double LED work light for improved visibility. If you're ready to add a high-performance cordless stapler to your toolkit, the Bosch could be a game changer. To check the latest prices and get more details, follow the Amazon link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this review helped you out.